Good morning, students. Today we discuss here economic importance of algae. This is the most important topic because from this topic always ask question in the exam. We already explained to you about the algae in detail. So now we start here economic importance of algae. Economic importance of algae in we first be talk about the algae use as a food. Algae use as a food because algae contains many minerals, carbohydrate, inorganic and major amount of vitamins A to A, C, D, E. All major vitamins are present in the algae because algae contains many minerals, and also carbohydrate and organic substances also. So it is the major source of the food. Some Phaeophyceae class of algae, Porphyra, Porphyra, Porphyra amlicus, Porphyra perfecta, used in Japan as a food. Phaeophyceae class of Phaeophyceae algae, Porphyra amlicus, Porphyra perfecta, used in Japan as a food. Some species like Alaria, Sargassum, Alva, Laminaria are used as vegetables. Sargassum, Alva, Laminaria are used as a vegetables. Laminaria produce iodine. Laminaria also produce iodine, which is essential for us because lack of iodine causes goiter disease. Now next is the alva. Alva is known as the sea salad. It is known as the sea salad. And chlorella is the most important because it used in a research. As a food. It is used as a food because it contains all types of vitamins. Next is macrocytis. Sargassum used as a fodder crop for the animals. Algae in industries. Many algae used in our industry in a large amount. First is the diatom. We also talk about the diatoms in a previous chapter. Diatom's wall is covered by the diatom cell wall is made up of the silicon oxide, okay, which forms the fossils of diatoms make the diatomous earth. Which can bear 1500 degrees Celsius temperature. It is used in filtration of bacteria in sugar mills, manufacturing of glass and manufacturing of the porcelain, and it is also used to prepare the polish. So many kinds of use of diatoms in the diatoms. Okay, now we discuss here the next is the algin. Algin is the most important substance which is obtained from the laminaria. Algin is the most important substance which is obtained from the laminaria. It is used in a typewriter. It is also used in the formation of big crystals of ice cream. Sargassum used in manufacturing of the wool. Next is the agar. Agar is very important. This is agar. Agar is obtained from the Gelidium and Gracilaria. So agar is obtained from the Gelidium and Gracilaria. It is a red algae and it is used in a tissue culture, and it is also used in a soap, manufacturing of the ice and cloth. Okay, So many use of agar agar. It is mostly used in ice cream, soup, and culturing. Okay, now medicinal use. Some algae use as a medicines because here one is most important, chlorelin. Chlorelin is an antibiotic. Chlorelin is an antibiotic which is obtained from the chlorella. Okay, which protect from the gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Okay, chlorelin is a antibiotic which obtained from the chlorella, which protect from the gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Cara and Nigella use in malarial disease because they low spread of the mosquito. Algae used in biological research. Chlorella and Acetobacteria is used in a biological research because chlorella contains many vitamins. So it is used in a biological research which type of vitamins contain. Now algae used in agriculture. Nostoc anabina, they convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate and nitrate. They convert Nostoc anabina. They convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate and nitrite. Okay, and provide soil and make the soil fertile. Some harmful effect of the algae: microcystis and Corococcus, Limbia. These algae, microcystis, Corococcus or Limbia, causes the water blooms. Cephalococcus virescens and red rot disease in tea plant. Cephalococcus virescens red rot disease means this algae causes the red rot disease in tea plant, which reduce the production of the tea.